my name is Ronay Sais, but I prefer to be called as Rai. I'm 25 years old from Cainta, Rizal. I'm currently taking my master's degree in Miriam College, International Studies. I believe in the saying that conflict doesn't resolve anything and that often the risk takers are being rewarded.
Your 3 to action.
Pinakamasaya nangyari sa akin is that I was chosen to become the representative of the Philippines sa UNESCO South Korea. Marami akong natutunan from that conference. I met a lot of people. Ang saya. Learning through experience is different from learning from the 4 corners of the room.
Action.
Yung malungkot na nangyari sa akin is yung hindi ako nakapasa sa scholarship ng Kobe Japan. Sobrang frustrated kasi andun na yung lahat, binigay mo yung effort. Tapos biglang after 2 weeks, malalaman mo na parang yung kaibigan mo pa yung pumasa imbis na ikaw. Samantalang siya walang ginawa. Sakit lang. Plus yung fact na yung alam mo yung sinabi ng magulang mo na ang taas-taas ng expectation niya pero hindi mo naabot yun. Sakit.
My 4 3 to action.
Mare, tignan mo, yung nang araw ng boyfriend ko. Kala mo namang kagandahan. Tignan mo nga, wala man lang sa kalingkingan ko.